our knee width. So you can, let's make it 8 millimeters. 8 millimeters. So now that we've done that, we connect. We connect. It's so easy, right? You see how far we are already going. So we come to this area. This area, I advise you don't use straight ruler. So you come like this with your hand and blend. You come like this because we want, our leg is not straight, so we want some smooth vibes. Then you now use your hand. But if it's difficult for you, you can use ruler. Just that using your hand is more natural. So you can use ruler, connect, use ruler, connect, then connect with your hand, come here, use ruler, come here, use ruler, connect to this angle. So it's still up to you. Since this is a beginner's class, let's be doing more of ruler so it will be easy. So now we come to this knee, we look for the midpoint. We come to this knee, we look for the midpoint. So here, now that I've gotten the midpoint, we draw a straight line to our foot level, that is to our ankle level. So now it's just like a skeleton we are drawing now. So we do the same thing kind of for this side. So something like this. So we just draw like a not a curvy C, just a slightly curved C. Then here we come in like three 3 millimeters. We come out 3 millimeters or even smaller, because at the end of the day, one, two. Okay, I'm making it 2 millimeters. 2 millimeters, yeah. 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters is too big a bit. So we connect. You see how the connection is going. You draw a, a slanty, like a curve, but it's a mild curve, yeah. A mild curve. And then you connect it to your 2 millimeters. A mild curve, just something mild, not something so. You can still draw a straight line. It's just that we are trying to make her look as natural as possible. But if you draw a straight line, you still achieve it, just that she won't be looking so natural. You get. So we are trying to achieve this natural look for this our baby girl. We are trying to achieve a natural look. So this is it. Now that we've done that, we now draw our feet. Our feet to just extend like how many centimeters will I call this now? We extend it like 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. You extend 2 centimeters. You draw your curve. You extend 2 centimeters. You extend 2 centimeters, and then you just draw a curve. But I feel this leg is too big, so I'm erasing it. I'm making it a bit smaller. So easy, so simple. Now you see we've drawn our leg. So we go to our hand. Our hand, at this armhole point, you look for a midpoint. You look for a midpoint. Just put a dot there. Now from that dot, you draw like a skeleton, 3.5 inches, centimeters, At this 3.5 you put another dot. Let me be sure this is 3.5. Yes, it is. And then we do another 3.5 and put another dot. So this first dot is our elbow, and we do the same thing at this side. 3.5, you put your dots. Yeah, 3.5, 1 2 3. Yeah, you put your dots. So this is our skeleton. Don't worry, you will see how it comes out. So here you can draw a cycle, just a little cycle, but for this class I'm using centimeters, so it's something you can account for. Instead of a cycle you can end up drawing a big one. So that's why I want it to be in centimeters. So we are making this about 5 centimeters in a hole. That's 2.5 centimeters altogether. On each 2.5 centimeters each, so 0.5 centimeter. And then here is just 1.5 millimeters. Please, 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 please. From here to here is point um point let's say point 1 2 3 0.3 millimeters. Let me not confuse you with 2.5. 0.3 millimeters at each side. Then here we have 0.2 millimeters at each side. We come here, we do the same thing. 0.2 millimeters, 2 millimeters. We come here, we have our 0.3 millimeters, 0.3 millimeters at both sides. So now you just connect. That's all you need to do. You just connect. Even though I prefer using hand, but let's use ruler for this. Using hand will make it look more natural. It will look more natural when you use your hand to do the connection than ruler. But if you are starting, use ruler. As you are going, as you are practicing, naturally you just start using hand. So now that we are done with this, we want to draw the ankle like the hand. So all you have to do, you have to look at this. Let me draw it here big. So what you are doing is you are drawing one, you extend,